Hi, welcome back to Aya's Dinosaur Slime Reviews. I'm Wendy, and we are doing a slime by Hope Float Slime Co. This one is Troll Butter. Look at the color. It's really pretty. See the outside? Nice colors. It has a scent, but I can't identify it. It's a really nice scent though. Probably something like a troll candy or something like that scent. I know they have like trolleys or something like that, scented candy. So, who knows? This is another butter slime, and this is really super soft. Some of the slime finger clicks are there. Definitely a drizzly slime. Look at that. There we go. Spreadable. And that was probably my fault on the knot. There we go. We got one pop out of it. But, you know, we all know I do a bad job half the time trying to do pops. So it turns into this really unusual color. It's beautiful, but it's like a burnt, I don't know what to call it. It's like kind of like a pink, but dark, you know, a real dark pink, or you know, a burnt red, maybe. I don't know. I just like it. So let's give it one more try and see if I can get it to give me, besides that one, see what we can do about getting a good pop. There we go. So it does give good pops. I love a slime that gives good pops. And I know you see a lot of people squeezing, and you know, I don't squeeze that much because I don't want my videos to take forever. Anyway, that's Troll Butter by Hope Float Slime Co. You can find her on Etsy and also right here on Instagram and soon on YouTube. So thank you for watching. I hope you will join me in the next video. There's always something coming up, and you know, and always something new. And soon, next month, I will be trying out different mystery slimes. Yes, I took someone's advice and decided, oops, mystery slimes was the way to go. So, that's going to be fun. Thank you for joining me on this video. Yes, I will put this in another container. And I hope to see you on my next one. Happy sliming!